In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up two-factor authentication in Xero, a crucial step to enhance the security of your account. Let's dive in and make sure your data stays safe. First, you'll want to begin by logging into your Xero account. Head over to the Xero login page and enter your usual email and password. This familiarity paves the way for a seamless setup experience. Once you're inside, it's time to navigate to your account settings. Look to the top right corner of your screen, click on your profile icon, and a drop-down menu will appear. From there, select Account and then navigate to Security. This is where you can start setting up two-factor authentication, also known as 2FA. Now, you'll see the two-step authentication section. Click on the button that says Set Up. It's at this point that you'll need an authentication app on your mobile device. Some popular options include Google Authenticator, Microsoft Authenticator, or Authy. If you don't already have one, take a moment to download and install it on your smartphone. Having this app is essential as it generates the codes required for the added layer of security. Next, glance at your computer screen. Xero will display a QR code specifically for your account. Open your chosen Authenticator app on your mobile device. Within the app, select the option to Add Account or Scan QR Code and use your phone's camera to scan the code displayed on Xero. This step links your Xero account with the Authenticator app, setting the stage for the 2FA process. The app will then generate a 6-digit code. This is unique and changes every few seconds, providing a robust shield against unauthorized access. Enter this code back on the Xero interface and click Confirm. Your attention to detail here ensures the setup is correct and effective. In addition to the app-generated code, it's wise to set a backup method in case you ever lose access to your device. Xero allows you to choose security questions or provides the option of a backup via email or SMS, depending on where you're located. Select the method that best suits your needs, as this will act as your safety net. With everything confirmed, your two-factor authentication is now enabled. From this point forward, each time you log into Xero, after entering your password, you'll also need to input the code from your Authenticator app. It's a small step that makes a significant difference in securing your information. And there you have it, a thorough yet straightforward guide to setting up two-factor authentication in Xero. By following these steps, you've effectively bolstered the defenses around your sensitive data, ensuring that your Xero account remains safe and secure. Thanks for watching, and until next time,